Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan's.life, and today I've got this makeup tutorial here for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and enjoy this look. I am a bit tanned, okay? I've been working out outside, I've been sitting outside, I've been eating outside, I've been doing everything outside, okay? So I'm a bit tanned. That's why you might see a bit of difference between like my foundation and my chest right now. It is what it is, sis. I'm not about to go buy a new bottle of foundation every time I tan for like, I get tanned and then I don't, and the tan goes away and I got time, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for the color difference, but all the description or can you tell I'm a little out of practice? All the products will be in the description bar down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you guys prefer this video where it'll just be me doing the makeup and listen to music, or you guys prefer me to chit chat and do more like a tutorial style, because I noticed tutorial styles are coming back a bit more. So let me know, either one works for me, and I will see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, let's grow, let's be bigger. 2020 is almost over. Let's, you know, hit the mark, okay? Cool, awesome, thank you, love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. And you tell me, baby, that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that was true.
Sometimes I wonder if we meant to be. I guess that we gon' see. I ask myself, I wonder if I wanted too much. Overthinking, mind up in the clouds, would've done to get us down, I don't know. You know my daddy wasn't around to make my mama smile for excuses. But honestly, I don't know why I still use them. I told myself I would not lie in the music. Cause I usually keep my fears down on the low. Put my diamonds out of chocolate, don't wanna see it go. But I'm scared if I open up, you walk away. I know that you've been let down before, so I try to stay composed. I just wanna hold you close, baby. Tell me, are you tryna leave? Or will you stay?
Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose.
You tell me, baby,
that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that was true.
But I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford to watch your heart ache. I can't afford another heartbreak. I don't wanna face what's in my mind now. I ain't got the time now. At least that's what I tell myself. All I see is tears inside your eyes now, waiting to reply now. I'm not tryna seek you out for help. I've been on the road tryna find closure. Your secrets go cold and only God knows them. Waiting for your heart to give eviction notice. Yeah. Give me time, give me space, let me breathe, yeah. Seems like I'm tryna pick between you and my dreams, yeah. These thoughts so scary, baby, in my honesty. Sometimes I really just don't know what to believe. But what I do believe is I know that these thoughts will last forever. Baby, you've been down when ain't nobody else around, and I need you by my side. Just dealing with these feelings, I can't lie, but I need you.
Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose.
You tell me, baby,
that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that was true.
I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford another heartbreak. I can't afford to watch your heart ache. I can't afford another heartbreak.
I know I said I'd never break your heart, but you can't have a fire with no spark. Feel like I'm out here shooting in the dark, and I don't know where I'm supposed to start. You said never leave, baby, and you know you driving me crazy. I try, but I'ma need saving. It took a beautiful lady to show me how ugly I can get, sinking to the bottom, but that's when I learned to swim. We got problems, but we never let them win. I want my day to begin and end with you.
And I know you deserve better, and I deserve better. No, you deserve better.
When she calls, when she calls, when she calls, when she calls. There's a knock on the door. It's like, who can it be? But then they say it's for you. It's like it cannot be. It's like 7 a.m. Damn, who can it be? Who? Oh, it's you. It's like a fantasy. Damn, I thought you came at 3. Well, I guess when I assume I make an ass out of you and me, just like I assume you throw that ass at me. It's cheesy, but I know the corny pickups will somewhere get you. Either way, we'll run and dip off to the sunset and moonlight. However way you pictured in the motion pictures, or like the DVD main menu. Fast forward to the best part, or your fave part. Yeah, that part, you're the best part. You my apple pie, you my peach cobbler without car cars. And it's like this filled with all odds. I swear it's nothing to you. It's nothing. I'm willing to bet my full hand, and I ain't bluffing, lil' boo. Shit, I can drown up in the sea with you, put ground beneath the feet of you. My heart may skip a beat or two to be with you, Fall down our path, re-birth into Beetlejuice. Sorta like that Jesus dude, but that's for now until we see the truth. Lord only knows what a nigga probably do to you. Shit, what I do to you, I swear you're beautiful. You're like my evening moon or waking up the morning tune. Sorta like that gun in my mouth, ready to blow me away. But instead, that's not how this story plays. Probably get cut off by some asshole that roam my whole day. And later hope that every single problem of mine is rolled in this whole J. Just finding my way. Got it behind green, just like Gordon Hay. Word naturally go to wondering what's my day's worth. Falling into depression, I swear it's becoming too consistent. Just hoping that all this time lost eventually missing. See, time waits for no man, my heart is feeling distant. See, time waits for no man, my heart is feeling distant. But time waits for no man, all these days I'm smiling. Sunny days I'm frowning, yo. Rainy days I'm smiling. Sunny days I'm frowning, bro. Rainy days I'm smiling. Sunny days I'm frowning, man. Rainy days I'm frowning. Rainy days I'm smiling, yo. Rainy days I'm smiling, yo.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 but the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah, yeah. No, I got you back, yeah, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down, yeah. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill, I'm just tryna live with my day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT.